This is a banana leaf. Can you imagine using this as a plate for your dinner? Today we are talking about Vigorón. Vigorón is one of the most iconic dishes in Nicaragua. It is associated with the colonial city of Granada. It is simple. It is very filling and very Nicaraguan in both flavor and culture. It usually contains boiled yuca, which is sometimes considered cassava, chicharron. When I was growing up, chicharrones were known as pork rinds, but it's basically fried pork fat, just pork meat fried, and a crunchy salad made of cabbage known as ensalada de repollo. It has cabbage and carrots and tomatoes and onions and sometimes chilies and sometimes mint. This dish is known for its balance of flavors. On one hand, we have the soft, starchy yuca, and then we have the salty, crispy pork, and that is balanced with the crispy, acidic flavors of the cabbage salad. This contrast is really what makes this dish work. It's traditionally served on a plantain leaf, like a banana leaf, rather than a plate. And having that extra element in there gives a nice pop of color and also adds to the aroma of this dish. There is a famous story that comes from Granada, Nicaragua. At around 1914, a lady named Maria Luisa Cisneros, she was serving this dish and she came up with the name Vigorón because at the time there was also a tonic being advertised and sold that name Vigorón, like vigorous, it was being sold to give people strength and energy. So she was saying too that her dish gave people strength and energy. So I'm not sure if every detail of that story is true, but I do know that people from Granada, they claim this dish as their own. This dish is usually eaten for lunch, and it is bought from street carts generally, and it is considered a comfort food. And it's usually paired with a Nicaraguan drink, such as a local cold drink called cacao, or a fresco called Jamaica, or even a cold beer. Most people notice that the yuca here is much creamier and lighter than they've tried in other places. And in some vendors, they sell both the pork meat and the chicharron, and some people just sell the chicharron, and some people just sell the pork. And some people, they mix the two together. In some areas of the world, this same dish is simply known as yuca con chicharrón, the yuca with pork rinds. It's also known as bajo, but bajo is a little bit different. It actually takes plantains and steams them with this dish in the plantain leaves. And another related dish is just called chancho con yuca, which is like pork with yuca. I bought this from a local street vendor, and it cost me 120 Cordobas. And I brought it home and I had it for lunch. The next time you are in Nicaragua, try some Vigorón and let me know what you think of it.